Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Concepts of Electrical Engineering.
In this video, we are going to see the Gauss law. Gauss law states that the electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to the total charge enclosed by that surface. Now, I am considering an irregular surface having a charge Q enclosed in it. Considering a point here on the surface, and this is D, flux density. Now, finding normal flux density vector, drawing a tangent to this. So tangent then so when you consider this is theta, then this is d normal. Gauss law mathematical representation: flux equals to closed surface flux density ds. D normal is equals to d cos theta. In our case, we just consider a small surface area here on the closed loop. Then for this, surface area is ds. Now flux crossing through this area, flux crossing through ds multiplied by ds, that equals to d cos theta d, that equals to d dot ds. Total flux equals to total flux phi equals to integral d phi, that equals to closed integral d dot ds, that equals to charge q. Hence flux equals to surface integral of d dot ds, which equals to q. This is known as Gauss law. Charge we are considering here inside a closed loop. It may be number of point charges, then the q is given by q1, q2, q3 and so on up to qn, several point charges, or q due to a line charge, then L OL dl, and for surface charge q equals to S rho s ds. For volume charge q equals to volume rho v dv. Gauss law, closed integral d dot ds equals to volume rho v dv, which equals to a q. This equation is also known as a Maxwell's equation. The total flux inside any closed loop is equals to the charge enclosed in that. Application of Gauss law. Gauss law used to find out the electric field intensity. We know E equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square from Coulomb's law. How we are going to find out E? Charge Q equals to volume rho V dV, which equals to closed loop d dot ds. And the flux density D equals to total flux per total surface area, that equals to Q by total surface area is 4 pi R square, which is also equal to surface charge density. Now from this equation you can write Q equals to D 4 pi R square, and we know D equals to epsilon naught E. Now this we can write it as epsilon naught E 4 pi R square. From this equation E equals to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This equation we derived by using a Gauss law, where Q is equals to closed surface D dot ds, and D is total flux, total surface area, then flux is equals to total charge divided by 4 pi R square is the surface area. Since this flux equals to Q, since Gauss law states that total flux in a closed loop is equal to the charge enclosed in the closed loop. So Q by 4 pi R square, and this value is nothing but a surface charge density.
If you have any suggestions and queries, please mention in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned for more videos.